Here it is, guys. This is the upper for my AR-15. I went with the Stag Arms 1H upper, complete upper. It was supposed to come with a carry handle top, but I bought this secondhand and the guy didn't give me the carry handle with it. The guy told me he only put a couple rounds through it at the range and he didn't have enough funds to finish this build, so I bought this off him. This 1H is a 16-inch M4 style barrel, chambered in 5.56 NATO. It is a 1-in-9 twist chrome line barrel. The barrel is stamped 5.56 NATO, 1-in-9. It comes with your basic A2 flash hider. It's really nothing special. It's a middle of the road upper. I was gonna go a little bit cheaper with PSA, but they've been having issues sending their uppers out. Alright, so I'm gonna pop this upper onto my new Frontier lower, and we just go ahead and line up the pins in the front. And I've noticed when I'm putting the back onto the back pin, it is a really tight fit, so I have to really push it on there, and it has really solid feel. There's no play in it at all. The upper comes with your basic AR-15 charging handle with a really small lever on the side. It's really a pain in the ass, and I really would like to change that out for a bigger one. The action does feel a little stiff. I am going to have to take this out to the range and break her in, but so far it feels really great. The lower fits really nicely onto the upper. But I'm just really excited to go out and shoot this. This is my first AR build, so this is going to be part 2 in the series. I got a few magazines too that I'm going to take out. Let's see if I can grab them. I got my 1030p mag. I got this gray aluminum mag, 10 rounder, and then I got this black aluminum 10 rounder. So we'll take these out and see how they run, and yeah, I'll put up a video of me shooting this out at the range. First time shooting an AR, first time building an AR, so I'm pretty damn excited. And I'll be continuing doing modification videos with this rifle. Probably going to modify the furniture and probably the charging handle. So if you guys are interested, stay tuned, and thanks for watching.